Blessings. With me this morning, I have a small update on the Donna-Lee Donaldson's mystery. Just a small update because I will definitely speak more on this in a separate blog. So that's and more, but most importantly, in order for you to get these news items on a daily, you need to join the family. And it's quite easy. All you have to do is ensure that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more Beatitude. Intro soon forward. So the JCF, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Jamaica Corrupted Efforts, says it has been making significant progress in its modified, edited investigation into the disappearance of 24-year-old Donna-Lee Donaldson. That was said yesterday, Sunday 24th of July, all because they saw the shocking outcry from the public that is seeking justice for the 24-year-old Donna-Lee and her distraught family.
We are here today because we want to stand with the family of Donna-Lee. It is a very unfortunate situation right now in Jamaica. In the last 3 weeks, we have had 3 incidences of women being killed badly. But what makes this one different is that the persons of interest in this case are members of the JCF. We find that right now in Jamaica, in the last 3 weeks, I have been wedding house that's in North Clarendon. We lost her and the daughter and 4 grandchildren. And then now we have the situation of Donna-Lee, who is missing. And as her brother rightly says, until we know for sure, we are having her as missing. But the issue here is today is that 2 police, members of the police are persons of interest. So it is really important that the police act with alacrity in this case, and they act quickly in this case, because we have to maintain trust between the police and the people. And if we don't act quickly, then people are going to lose trust. And with the level of violence that we have in our country, we can't afford to lose any more trust in our country. There's already low trust, we can't afford to lose trust. And so I'm very disheartened to hear that they are not going to interview the female police officer on the 5th of August. That to me is a travesty. Why can't she be interviewed tomorrow? What is stopping the interview from occurring? I don't understand. I believe the police can. I'm hoping that they can do more. I'm hoping that they will communicate more with us to let us know exactly what is occurring.
We don't know what has happened to her at this point, but I am a mother. I am from the People's National Party, but I'm not here because of that. I am a mother, and I do not know what I would have done for my daughters. So I have to be here. It is not a matter of whether I think I would want to or whatever. I just have to be here. I am hurt, I am broken. It is happening too often.
So, when you claim say we're full of bad news, hold on upon this. Say some good news, yeah? People get shelter. So the Prime Minister had the privilege to assign a new home to Miss Leland, an 86-year-old senior citizen. She is from a small community in rural Clarendon. This house was specially built or constructed specifically to accommodate her special needs, which will also allow her to live in comfort that will help to preserve her dignity in her golden age.
You're ready to hold the keys to your own home? You're ready to hold the keys to your own home, and you're going to hold it firmly and don't let anybody take it away from you. Alright? This is your house. And you can choose to hand it over to in the future. Right? Because it becomes your property. This house will help to break the intergenerational poverty that the generations to come will have a roof.
Lillian Winter.
Over their head. Yes.
Lillian Winter.
So we are very happy to do this. Because when we turn around and look at where you were living, we believe nobody should live in those circumstances. We believe that there is a minimum standard of shelter that every Jamaican should get. And if we have to do it one by one, then that's what we're going to have to do. But thankfully, that's not what we're doing. Today we were able to hand over 2 homes. We have 75 houses under construction right now as we speak. And we have now written to all the MPs to say to them, instead of giving us 5 houses for the year, give us 5 houses for the next 5 years. In other words, bring forward all the requests that you have, and we're going to try to increase the scale at which we are doing it. So we want to be able to be handing over 10 of these houses each time that we are doing a handover. So we're doing about 2 now. So we'll get there. So we'll make sure that we are able to get to as many of Miss Lynn's as they are in Jamaica. Miss Lynn, please hold on tightly to the keys to your new home. Her daughter.
Yeah, man.
Yes, her daughter. Miss Lillian, her daughter. You are her daughter. Your aunt, but this is 3rd generation, and your children.
Yes, and my grandchildren.
Oh God! So that's
Yes.
so you are a great grand.
Yes.
My God! So this house will have broken the cycle of intergenerational poverty. At least started it.
Prime Minister has come as I promised. And remember, I came to you. I want you guys to take care of her as we discussed. Don't make her head hurt her. I don't know who come around here.
This is her house.
Her house.
She was not the only one, because Mr. Albert Logan, he once wondered if the government remembered him as he wept about his living conditions. Those tears turned into feeling good when he was reassured he'd be getting his new home. So these are just 2 of the many Jamaicans who have had their life impacted through the actions of this present government.
Me can't say, God, one day the MP member about me, one day the Prime Minister member, one day the people remember about me. Me advice to the MP and he called me back and said, sir, how long you live in that house? I said, 17 years, sir, long time. He said, you can wait a few weeks. And I said, okay, thank you, sir. And nothing more, me feel good. The bed, when I sleep on the right here, the little stove the right here, I want burner stove, I want no good. And the right here, and if you're in a fall, I put on the pot. I can't go to the, I mean, I have no umbrella to open the house, but then say umbrella not to open the house. I can't go to it and I shoot I'm talking. I can't go to the stove. And then I go to the stove, I have to stand up there a while. So if you're in a fall for the whole week, I'm feel it and I cry. I cry and say, God, one day the MP member about me, one day the Prime Minister member, one day the people remember about me. So I really thank the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew P0lice, for this house that he give to me. I'm telling the truth, I'm really glad for it. I really thank the MP, Mr. Robert Morgan too. I really thank him for what he has done for me. No matter after him gonna do matter, I'm gonna sleep in here tonight. Yeah. Yeah, and my church virgin them is here. You know they're gonna bless it before. You know, they're gonna do it before. I'm glad to see them turn out. No people tell me say a luck. Me tell them say me don't join luck. A blessing from me know which God I'm serving. I would like everyone we have something like this or something might be worse like this. Try get. Not me alone. We want someone to get to. Me not for myself. Yeah. Me like. I mean I tell you, oh God have mercy. I don't know everything, but I'm telling you, I'm glad to see all of them.
So there you have it for now, cause I'll be back. And please do remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, subscribe the man. Plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Soon forward.